How can I customize the sender address for each individual subscriber in LISTSERV Maestro? In the previous tutorial, we explored how to create and store sender profiles that your team members can choose from when sending their mail jobs. Now, let's look at how you can customize the sender name and address for each individual subscriber instead of using the same static sender information for all of them. To do this, you need profile or merge fields for each subscriber that contains this information. But instead of using the merge fields in the message content, you would use them on the sender definition step. For example, let's say that we want to send a reminder message about a project deadline to all journalism students. When this student list was created, the administrator added 2 fields so that each student has a designated teaching assistant. These 2 profile fields are called Assistant and Assistant Email. Now, when creating and sending this reminder message, we want each student's teaching assistant to be listed as the sender so that all replies and questions go to the proper person. As you can see on the recipient definition step, all students have these 2 profile fields filled out containing the name and email address of their teaching assistant. On the sender definition step, instead of using one of the sender profiles that we created, we will simply enter the names of the 2 profile or merge fields, starting with an ampersand and ending with a semicolon, followed by save. The system will give you an alert reminding you that as the sender, you need to make sure that the assistant email address field does in fact contain valid email addresses for every subscriber. Since we know that the email data is correct in our subscriber database, we can click Save again to proceed. Now when the mail job is delivered, each subscriber will have their own unique teaching assistant as the sender of the message, allowing them to easily get in touch with the right person if they have questions about their assignments. Thank you for watching.